Alright guys, just a quick little update video here. I've been working on this beautiful IBM selectric, and I also just got this gorgeous old lantern from roughly 1890 to 1910. It's an old Chatham Manufacturing Co. lantern number 2. Absolutely gorgeous. I have to clean it up. I already have been recording a video for this. It is ridiculous how messy this was. Sprayed a bunch of it down with contact cleaner, and she actually works. It's fantastic. So I got rid of all that grease that was really stopping it up. I still have to go in and do the deep clean, but I'm just giving you guys an update. I've just been recording a ton of videos lately instead of doing YouTube shorts, so I'll be coming out with a bunch of full-length videos for you guys. And some more stuff about the cars coming soon, so stay watching.